Hello guys, welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time you come here, please subscribe, share this video. Alright, a home of beauty and a home of where you can learn, alright, and understanding. So a quick one, a lot of people be telling me that they want natural products that can really lighten them, and also if possible it can be a soap. So I thought of it as, okay, let's put up a class for you so that you can learn how to make all this. So a quick one, today we'll be making our glycerin lemon whitening soap. It is very easy. So this our lemon, all right? So what we'll be using, I will be using the back, and I have, these are the things we'll be using. If you want to use lime, you can use lime. You can use lime, but this is lemon. We can use, we have different type of product we can use. All right, you know, this is citric acid. All right, it contains citric acid, and for those of you that who don't know citric acid, you should go Google it. All right, anything citric is from the citrus family. All right, so it tastes okay. Quick one, we wash our, so we have to wash very well. Wash. Okay, you can always put your hand glove, put on your hand glove. Okay, but I don't have my hand glove right now, and I really want to make this quick. So after that, we have our, you know, filter, and then we have our scale here, and we have our, you know, spoon, what we use to do our measurement. Yeah, and then we have our gas here. Let me show you guys, because we'll be doing some, you know, melting. All right, so it's either way. First of all, let me not take you too far. First of all, we have this peel. All right, let's peel this lemon. So in as much as it's going to take time, we'll just have to do this and see how we can fast forward the video. So I'm just peeling the back. For those of you who don't know how to peel, be careful please. I'm just taking the back, just only the back. You can see the way I'm peeling it. This is what we are using. All right, it's very rich, very rich. In as much as harsh like this doesn't mean that it's harmful, please. All right, otherwise we wouldn't have been using it. All right, so we just have to take the back, like what I'm doing now. All right, so we just use two. All right, because I will be going online, so I will use this one to show people that will join me at online. So I just have to do that. So we just actually use two. So guys, please subscribe. All right, it's not easy to put up all this for you. It's not really easy. So this is what we do. So people can easily blend this. All right, yes, because I told you basically that lemon is very rich. All right, so people can easily blend this, but I will advise, instead of you blending, why not just you can easily parboil it. All right, yes, you can heat it. All right, you can easily do that. Use double boiler method, just heat it very well. But if you are if it's convenient for you to boil it, you can. I mean, if it's convenient for you to, you know, to blend it, you can blend it. I have my blender here, but I just don't want to. I don't want to do that method. So you can blend it. All right, perhaps that should be the better one. All right, and if you want to blend it, this is how you do to blend it. Please, guys, be careful. Join me this class fully. Subscribe, like, and also we'll be using. This is our base soap. This base soap. This is regular glycerin. All right. This is vegetable glycerin, original one. This is glycerin soap. All right. So this base soap, there is just nothing apart from glycerin. All right. Nothing apart from glycerin. And if you want me to teach you how to make this soap, I can still teach you. I will teach you how to make this soap. All right. So nothing apart from this soap. But now we want to convert this soap to lightening soap or whitening soap. That's why we are using this agent. And you know that this agent is a lightening agent, all right, and also it's an exfoliant, and also it moisturizes, okay. And when you moisturize your skin, it's very that helpful. And you know glycerin is very rich, all right. If you don't know, for those of you who don't know, glycerin is very rich. It have the tendency of how will I put it, have the tendency to hydrate your skin, to always look your skin fresh. So it relieve dryness, it suck away dryness, it take away dryness, all right. Yes, and it also moisturize. So let's quickly dive into it. We'll be taking 200 I just want to make extra of it. So now this is our vegetable glycerin, also the liquid one. This is the soap. So what I'm about doing now, please pay attention. We're going to use this and distilled water as well. Distilled water also we're going to use. So, but this is our vegetable glycerin, and we're going to take just about 100 ml. All right, that is 50. That is 50. Say it. So it is very obvious that when you're doing this, if you don't know how to do it, please, if you don't know how to do it, make sure that you watch this video till the end. Okay, so now this is it. I'm adding this lemon. I'm adding this lemon to it now, the lemon peel. All right, you see, some person, like, you can parboil it, you can do double boiler method, which is what I'm going to do now, or you can blend it. Let's add our distilled water. All right, we're adding just 50 gram, 50 ml rather. All right, so what we're about to do now, we're about to double boil it. You can see it's changing color already. So it's better still, if you want to blend it, you can blend. If you want to parboil it, you can parboil it. So you can see we are heating it. You can heat it as this for just about 15 minutes. All right, you can heat it as this just about 15 minutes. Just keep heating it for just about 15 minutes till you see that the water turn light yellow. Yes. All right, so let's see. Okay, wow. All right, this is what we needed now. This is what we needed now. You see, that's after 15 minutes, this is what we got. After 15 minutes, this is what we got. All right, so let's do this. All right, so far so good. Now that we've boiled it, this is double boiler method. So this is our vegetable glycerin, and also we added the lemon peel to it, and also we added a distilled water. All right, so this is the three solutions we are having here now. So automatically we are almost done. So what's next now? You have to, bring your glycerin soap, then slice it, all right, to the number of just grams you need. So apparently we might be making 50 gram or 100 gram soap. All right, let's go. Now this is the glycerin soap that we're using. We said So, thereabouts. Let's just okay. All right. Okay, so this is just 70 gram. So you pieces it, you just have to pieces it. All right, pieces it, pieces it, pieces it. So like I said, what we'll be making is just 100 gram. So you put them inside and we go do the double boiler method again. Just wash. All these are it's very simple. It's what you can do yourself, but when you're doing it, first of all, be careful because you still have to consider other ingredients you're putting. If you want to put any other ingredient that you want to make it more essential, or you want to make it more whitening, you consider that ingredient, fine. But this is what we're using. So this is it, and we're using the same double boiler method. Double boiler method. Right. So in the next 5 to 10 minutes, this will be like water. All right, it's melting already. It's melting, so let's give it a break. All right, so this is our glycerin soap. All right. Okay, so let's sieve this lemon. Let's sieve it. Remember, we use distilled water, and vegetable glycerin and the lemon. So let's sieve it, right? Okay, we'll sieve it. So now, I don't want you to just add, like as if you know what you're adding. Let's add thereabout 13 ml. Okay. So 13 ml. All right. So this is our soap. All of you should know, when you're doing something like this, you have your molder. All right, have your molder. So like me, I don't have my molder here. So, but what I will be using as my molder, I will be using this cup also as my molder. So a quick one. So I will be using this cup as my molder. All right. So after, we don't want it to get strong here. So this is my molder. All right. So this is our soap. What we have here is for the soap to get strong. That is why I will put it inside cold water. Get about 10 to 15 minutes again. It will get strong. All right. Or you can keep it if you have fridge. Otherwise, you keep it till the next day. All right. It will still get strong. Okay. So in here we just have this glycerin-based soap, but we converted it to a whitening soap. All right. So you can as well add other ingredients on your if you're making it. So let's keep it. All right, guys. So this is the soap we did now. This is the glycerin lemon whitening soap, and this will whiten you in 2 weeks. It will whiten you in 2 weeks. It foams very well. It cleans the skin. Are you getting it? Yes. and it exfoliates the skin. All right, yes, you can add any other recipe if you want to add. If you want to add any other recipe, you can add, but honestly with this it's okay. All right, for those of you who can have the time to make this in your home, you can use this 100% and you will see result. It will save you from bleaching products. It will save you from, you know, involving yourself with products that are not really okay with the skin. So this is like you make your own recipe and they work for you. So guys, subscribe, like, click on the notification button. I remain Austin Global. We ship everywhere worldwide, like I said, worldwide. UK, Europe, Asia country, you know, Canada, US, you know, everywhere we ship to. So subscribe. Bye bye.